This is the C5 Extension Project, formerly known as the Carlos P. Garcia Boulevard, a road that links Parañaque and Las Piñas City, and later, the South Luzon Expressway and the Aguinaldo Boulevard, connecting the provinces of Cavite and Laguna. The personality behind former Senate President and now presidential.
I have been informed just this afternoon that I no longer have the support of the majority of my colleagues. I now therefore
Here is the report.
The double or redundant appropriation of 200 million pesos. Senator President as the one responsible.
Sa gitna naman ng debate kung dapat ba o hindi dapat ituloy ang pagkastigo kay Senator Manny Villar, binuksan naman sa motorista ang kontrobersyal na C5 Road na nagdudugtong sa Parañaque at Las Piñas.
Senator Villar, you never mentioned this until Senator Villar announced his candidacy.
Delegasyon ng katiwalian kaugnay sa ginagawang C5 Road Extension Project. Ayon kay Senador Ping Lacson, 2 beses na pinondohan ang iisang proyekto.
Pinakita ko yung 2 proyekto na walang double entry. 2 proyekto talaga. Pinakita ko yung isa na yung sa Sukat at yung isa naman sa Coastal Road. Magkalayo.
This is a corrupt act, Mr. President.
More than 4 billion ang nadagdag sa cost nito. 4 billion ng ating pera ang binayad upang dumaan lang itong mga eldaan sa more than 85 hectares na ari-arian ni Senator Villar.
The laissez-faire principle of Adam Smith states that the government should not intervene with the affairs of the state, for it promotes selfish motives when the forces of money and power are combined.
Maluwag rito kaysa doon sa labas. Dahil dito walang traffic, kakunti pa nga dumadaan.
Kasi walang traffic. Mas mabilis.
Kung magagawa ito ng isang senador na senador pa lang siya, biruin mo kung maging presidente siya, ang magagawa niya na lahat ng kapangyarihan ng bayan ay nasa kamay niya.
Hindi pinagsasama ang palayod yan. At hindi pwede pagsamahin kasi ibang kontrata yan. Kaya sana tingnan muna nila yung buong istorya at maliliwanagan nila lahat.
It has nothing to do with flyover. Hindi na kailangan na napakaraming flyover kung hindi na lumihis yung daan eh. Direkto na lang yung C5 to Coastal. Dahil sa paglihis niya ng daan, pakiraban na nga siya, at taong bayan magbabayad pa sa ilang flyover.
An often quoted passage from the Wealth of Nations is, "It is not from the benevolence of the butcher, the brewer, or the baker that we expect our dinner, but from their regard to their own self-interest. We address ourselves, not to their humanity but to their self-love, and never talk to them of our own necessities but of their advantages." Value theory was important in classical theory. Smith wrote that the real price of everything is the toil and trouble of acquiring it, as influenced by its scarcity. Smith maintained that, with rent and profit, other costs beside wages also enter the price of a commodity. The rerouted road project forced the government to scrap the originally planned C5 extension, even after multi-billion peso payments by the government in road right-of-way compensation for land that was not needed at all.
Yung nasasakdal ng lahat ng karapatan niya.
Nakita ng taong bayan ng isang miyembro natin na hindi gumagalang sa Senado, paano pa natin maasahan na gagalang tayo ng tao?
Aminadong senador na may mga ari-arian siyang dinaanan ng C5 Extension Project at nakatanggap ng pabayaran sa gobyerno mula sa right-of-way. Ang presyo raw ng kanyang mga lupain ay itinatakda ng zonal valuation ng Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR. Base raw sa pagsusuri ng BIR, mas mahal daw ang halaga ng kanyang ari-arian kumpara sa iba.
Propose the double or redundant appropriation of 200 million pesos. Senator
Villar, you never mentioned this until Senator Villar announced his
There
candidacy.
are many opinions surrounding the C5 extension controversy, including that of the alibis of the accused. In the end, it is still the people who will decide for our country's future. Will the decision of the voters this coming elections be influenced by an economically driven politics or a politically driven economy?
Biruin mo kung maging presidente siya, ang magagawa niya na lahat ng kapangyarihan ng bayan ay nasa kamay niya.